Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Volkswagen Tiguan and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the headlight lens. So you're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove the hard contaminants or any oils, wax, or any grease that the headlight may have, you can also use tack solution, which contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the lens. Get a clean microfiber towel and remove all the contaminants that the headlight may have, and also clean off the surrounding area in case the film does touch the paint, it doesn't catch any contaminants. Okay, so once you finish with the prep, now we can start with the installation. So this is how the kit looks like. So we're going to start off with the actual headlight, and then once we're done with the headlight, we'll move on to the light bar, which is this section here. So piece number one is the actual headlight. So to start with the installation, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we're doing is just laying the film onto the headlight lens. And with this one, we want to start by aligning the tint to this section of the edge here. That way we tack this down, secure it, and then work away to this section here. So to tack it down, make sure it's right on the edge right here. Lift it carefully and apply tack solution underneath the film. Keep it aligned to the edge, top and bottom is good. Apply tack solution, grab your squeegee, hold it in position, and just tack it down. Make sure to remove the solution underneath the film and secure the film. We need to make sure this stays secure, that way when we align it and stretch it to this end, this section here doesn't shift. So once this is secured, you can start moving on slowly to doing the installation for this one. For this section here, you will need to stretch the film just a little bit, that way it reaches the edge here. So just stretch it going like this. Because of the curved design of the headlight here, we need to stretch it like this. So it's just a light stretch, keeping it aligned like that. And as we're stretching, we're going to apply tack solution, that way it's able to start tacking down as we stretch. So hold it in position, apply tack solution on top, that way our squeegee is able to glide, and we can start tacking the film down. And same process that we did here, we would do it on this end here. So just apply tack solution, do a light stretch, make sure to keep it aligned. This is only covering the face here. Keep in mind the bottom section here is not being covered due to the design of the headlight going like this inside. So we're only covering the face right here. So keep it aligned and tack it down as you go. And that's pretty much it for this part here. All we need to do is just make sure we remove all of the solution underneath the film. That way once we apply heat, we start sealing the entire film. That way the film doesn't lift over time. Before we seal, just remove all of the water bubbles underneath the film. So to seal it, just apply tack solution onto the film. Grab your heat gun, apply heat. You can also use a hairdryer, use the lowest setting on your device, and just go all across the film, start sealing everything. Make sure to remove the fingers and apply the heat evenly. Don't focus on one area for too long because you may accidentally burn the film. So just apply heat just a little bit on one section and then apply it evenly. If you need to focus on one area because of the finger that you may need to tack down, maybe like 5 seconds is all you need. And then once you're done sealing this one, we can move on to the light bar. Okay, so now for the light bar, we're moving on to piece number two. Piece number two would be this piece here, which covers the top section here. So same process when it comes to the installation. Apply slip solution to the lens and to the adhesive side of the film. Align it on the edge. I would recommend starting from this side where the emblem is located. That way you have it on the edge of the emblem right here. And then just to help it tack down a little faster on this section here, apply tack solution, help it align on the edge again, hold it in position, tack it down slowly, remove all of the solution, work your way to that end. You will need to just stretch it just a little bit on this section here, so do a light stretch, hold it in position and tack it down as you go. And then you will notice you have this film still hanging on the bottom. This one you would just need to wrap it underneath the panel right here. So to wrap it, just apply tack solution, lift the film, grab your heat gun or hair dryer and apply heat, and then use your microfiber towel to help it tack down and seal the edges. So you would apply heat like this, and then with your microfiber towel just hold it like this in position for a couple seconds. Okay, and then for piece number 3, which is the last piece here, you would go ahead and just do the same process as how we did it with the top one. Just apply a little bit of slip solution. You don't need too much. Align it to the edge right here. Just make sure you place it on the correct section. So follow the design of the emblem. It does a curve. So align it there. And then use the top half to align the rest of the film. And then we should be good. And then to help it tack down faster, just lift it and apply tack solution. Secure the film, remove all the solution underneath the film, that way we don't have any bubbles. And then same process, you will need to do a light stretch here, but just make sure this stays tacked down first before you stretch. Okay, and that's pretty much it. That'll be the installation for the light bar. So once you're done with the entire installation, the last thing to do is to post heat everything. So for the post heating part, all you need to do is just grab your tack solution and apply the tack solution to the lens. You're going to need your heat gun and a clean microfiber towel. As you're applying heat, you're going to use your microfiber towel just to help tack down the film, and also just help remove any fingers that are still popping up around the edges or anywhere else on the film. Make sure to apply heat evenly, take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Volkswagen Tiguan. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.